I want to show you guys how to insert the column in Excel. Let's go!
From time to time, we forget to enter, or just need to add some data into an already prepared table. For situations like this, Excel has a useful function of inserting an empty column or even multiple columns within a table. And here again, Excel offers more than one solution. Now, we're going to go through one only, and it'll be the easiest, the quickest one. Let's say we need to insert an extra column right between column A and column B. An extra column with last names of employees. How can you get it done? Look at the upper horizontal bar showing the column letters, and simply click on column B. Right-click and select Insert. Done. Excel has added a new empty column B to the left of the original column B, just as we wanted. All you need to do now is just fill in last names, for example, Smith. And here's a handy tip for you. If you want to add more columns at once, you don't need to do it one by one. Let's say we want to add 3 empty columns between column A and B.
Column B and C. This is the trick. As you already know, Excel adds extra columns to the left of the selected part. Therefore, in this case, we'll select column C. Then we click and hold the left button on the mouse and drag it 3 columns to the right. You always see the number of selected columns in this small box below the cursor, so you don't need to lose your time counting them tediously. This way, you give a command to Excel on how many empty columns to add, and we carry on as before. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Insert. By following these steps, you can add as many columns as you need. If you'd like to know more on how to manage columns in Excel, like how to hide columns or unhide them, watch the next tutorial.